head. Now that dude dead. Shoot him in the head. Pop. Now that dude dead. I'ma pull up on you, hit you with some freaking egg crack. Then I'ma go, then I'ma push you down the stairs. Boom. I'ma pull up and I'ma make you real scared. Yup, pop, pop, put the Glock to your head. Had them all saying, now you know he dead. Shoot him in the head, not that dude dead. Shoot him in the head, now that dude dead. Shoot him in the head, now that dude dead. I'ma pull out the knife and stab you in your neck. I'ma have you laying in the coffin. Then I'ma have you singing on your deathbed.
I'ma come to your house and shoot you with that tag. Then after that, I'm gonna chop off your leg. Then after that, I'm finna cut open your head like a grapefruit. What you wanna do? Then after I'm done cutting you open, I drink Mountain Dew. What you wanna do? You know I got that juice. Your girl told me that she was breaking up with you. Shoot him in the head, now that dude dead. Shoot him in the head, now that dude dead. Ayy,
Shoot him in the head, now that dude dead. Shoot him in the head, now that dude dead. Ayy, I'm finna eat a piece of cake. Dang, girl, you stink. I'm finna eat a piece of cake. And you better not be late. I'ma hit you with some glass. You need to go take a bath. I'm finna steal your girl. And we gon' fly across the world. Then she hit me with that twirl.
like that.
Ayy. Shoot him in the head, now that dude dead. Shoot him in the head, now that dude dead. Girl, I'm from the hood. I'm about to go hit up Shoot him in the head, now that dude dead. Shoot him in the head, now that dude dead. Shoot him in the head, ayy, now that dude dead, ayy.
Dude, what's good? You know me, yeah, I leave you in the woods.